So you're going to go to your mobile phone and you're going to go to settings. So just open your settings, and then once you're on your settings, you're going to scroll down all the way to about phone. Then you're going to go to software information. Then if you don't have developer options turned on, you're going to click on this 7 times. Yes, then you're going to input your password. Then developer mode has been turned on. Then you're going to go back and you're going to see developer options here turned on. You're going to scroll, and then for USB debugging, you're going to turn this on. So allow USB debugging. So once you have clicked on allow USB debugging, given authorization, now you're going to connect your phone to your machine using a USB cable. And you're going to get a prompt. You see, allow USB debugging. I'm going to show you the fingerprint. Just if you don't want to always click it, you're just going to allow from this computer and click on allow. And so these are the things you can just check, but basically once you have turned that on, you're good.